This is Mamutasan Mehraj. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the backside view, and this is the section view. This is the section view of this A section. Okay. First of all, I will start drawing from the top view. In the top view, first of all, I will draw this outer slot, and this outer slot has a length of 50.8 and a radius of 38.1. And after drawing that slot, I will draw a offset of that slot which is 2.54 unit. Then I will extrude boss it to 76.2 unit. Okay. For drawing the slot, I will use the center line slot. So this dimension will be half. So it will be 50.8 divided by 2 unit, and the total vertical dimension will be 38.1 multiplied by 2. So I am selecting the top plane. Now sketch. Now select the center point slot. Now place it to origin. Now dimension it to 50.8 divided by 2 unit, as its vertical dimension will be 38.1 multiplied by 2. Now press OK. Now I have to draw the inner slot. The inner slot, for drawing the inner slot, I will offset the interiors. The inner slot offset is 2.54 unit. So 2.54 unit I am selecting on line. Make sure to click the select chain. Now reverse the option. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 76.2 unit. Now press OK. Our slot is quite hollow, but in the sketch it has a floor, this one, and this floor has a extrude boss of 2.54 unit. So I will use the convert entities of this inner slot to make this and make the shape of this extrude boss. Then I will extrude boss it to 2.54 unit. So I am selecting the top plane again. Now select sketch. In the top plane, select the inner slot line. Make sure to press Ctrl on your keyboard, then select all the line. Now convert entities. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 2.54 unit. 2.54 unit. Now press OK. Here you can see I have drawn our bottom shape. Now I will draw this two cylindrical shape, and from the top face, this cylindrical two shape has a extrude boss of 78.74 unit, and their circular profile dimension is 6.35 diameter, and from this center line they are apart from 50.8 divided by 2 unit. So I will draw one of them and I will mirror the other one. So I'm selecting the top plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select circle. Now draw a circle of 6.35 diameter. Now go to smart dimension. Now dimension this line to this point to 50.8 divided by 2 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 78.74 unit. So I am extrude bossing it to 78.74 unit. Now press OK. Now I'll draw the other shape by using mirror entities. So features to mirror, select the boss extrude of the cylinder. Now select mirror face For selecting mirror face, I will select the front plane. Now press OK. Now we can see we have this inner cut in this cylinder shape, and this inner cut is a M4 hole. So I will use a hole widget option to draw this M4 hole. Before drawing this M4 hole, I will first draw a circular profile of 4 diameter to get a construction geometry of that hole. Then I will use the hole widget to draw a M4 hole. Okay, so I'm zooming in, selecting this face. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select circle and draw a circle of 4 diameter, because our hole widget is 4 M4 size. And also we'll draw in here also, so it will be 4 diameter. Now isometric it. Now press OK. We have to make this construction geometry, so right click in. Now select the construction geometry option. Now zoom in. Now select this circle, so the shape will change to construction geometry. Also do this for this one. Now okay. Now go to now exit sketch. After exiting sketch, go to features. Now go to hole widget. Select this one. Set all the criteria, and from the size specification, select the M4 size. As our hole is 13 unit here, so I will use the 13 unit dimension in here also. Now go to position. Now select 3D sketch. Now zoom in and place your 3D sketch in the construction geometry. Now press OK. At the end, we can see in the back face, I mean in this plane, or in the back face mean in this side, this face, we have a hole here and here, and this hole, if we visualize, this hole are here and here. So the hole are situated from this center line to here is 50.8 divided by 2 unit, and from the ground, this is our ground floor, and from the ground it is situated at 38.8 unit above, and each hole has a diameter of 6.35 unit. So let's draw it. So I am going to select the front plane, because I will use the through cut through to cut here and there. So front plane, select the front plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select circle, and as this, from this origin, this vertical line is 50.8 divided by 2 distance, so I don't need to dimension it manually. So I am drawing a circle of 6.35 unit. Now select smart dimension. Now dimension this circle to the ground 38.1 unit. Now press OK. After that, select again circle, and according to this reference dotted line, draw another circle here, and this circle will be 6.35 diameter. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and extrude cut. Now select extrude cut through all both. Now press OK. At the end, we can see it at the bottom of our shape here. We have a fillet of 2.54 radius. So I'm drawing a fillet here. So select the fillet option and dimension it to 2.54 unit. Now select this bottom line. It will automatically select the chain. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching. And keep learning. Be different.